In this lecture, we will discuss few MCQs with respect to govern function.
If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0
First
course,
question,
please do
one
check
of
the link
requirements
available
of
at the
govern
description.
function is cyber supply chain risk management processes are identified, established, and appropriately managed. What does supply chain indicate in this context? Your answer should be option C, that is suppliers, customers, partners, etc. Next question. One of the requirements of risk management strategy is risk appetite and risk tolerance statements are established, communicated, and maintained. What does the risk appetite indicate here? Correct answer is option A. That is level of risk an organization is willing to accept. Now, next question is about what does risk tolerance indicate? Correct answer is option B. That is deviation from your risk appetite. One of the requirements of risk management strategy is strategic opportunities, that is positive risk, are characterized and are included in organizational cybersecurity risk discussions. What does positive risk indicate here? Correct answer is a well-managed risk will lead to beneficial outcome or opportunities. One of the requirements of roles, responsibility, and authority category is cybersecurity is included in human resources practices. Which of the following is one of the way to implement the same? Correct answer is option B. To include cybersecurity responsibilities in job descriptions and contracts. Next question. Oversight category requires organizational cybersecurity risk management performance is evaluated and reviewed for adjustment needed. Which of the following is one of the most effective method to implement this? Correct option is answer C. To define cybersecurity KRIs and to present the same to senior management at periodic interval for any improvement. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss the second function, that is identify. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.